Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. In this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can push notifications for Facebook reminders. So, let's get started.
Watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe to Technologyglance by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update. Without further ado, let's get started.
First of all, open the Facebook app on your device. Next, select menu and then tap on settings under settings and privacy. After that, select notifications under preferences and then open reminders. Toggle on the button beside push and that's it. This is how you can push notifications for Facebook reminders.
Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we will love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get an update as soon as we post a video.